Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to create custom emoji sticker in PC. So first of all, open Google Chrome browser and go to the search option. Type here to Google kitchen emoji and tap on here. Select first and second and make it the emoji. And if you want to send your friend, you need to just click on to copy option and go to my Facebook account, go to Messenger and just paste here. So that's how you can easily create custom emoji sticker in PC. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.